Let's make these crispy and delicious mutton rolls. In a pan, heat up the mustard oil and add sliced shallots. Cook until translucent. Add the fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, minced garlic and ginger. Cook until fragrant. Add the small cubed mutton pieces, curry powder, salt and turmeric. Cook until color changes and oil separates. Pour water, cover and cook until mutton is fully tender and water dries up. Add coconut milk and cook until thickened. Boil the diced potatoes. After add to the filling. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice, add the garam masala and turn off the heat. Mix it well and let the filling cool down completely. Take some pre-made spring roll sheets. Place a spring roll wrapper on a flat surface, add the filling and roll tightly. Brush the edge with a flour slurry, crack the eggs in a plate and whisk. Place the golden breadcrumbs into another plate. Then dip in a beaten egg and breadcrumbs. Repeat for the all rolls. Freeze the rolls for the 15 minutes. Meanwhile, heat up the oil. After, fry the mutton rolls until golden brown and crispy. Drain the excess oil on a wire rack or paper towel. And that's it. Enjoy these crispy and crunchy mutton rolls while still hot with your favorite dip. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Chase the flavors.